Hi, I want to introduce you about the OSS projects and the curriculum, what's the content. And if you buy all the package, there will including 4 books. And the 4 books have one for the introduction. The introduction content including that talking about what's the main content of the project's textbook, and introduce you how to use the lessons, and there's at every lessons primary description, and basically all the courses is about 45 minutes to 1 hour, and every unit is about 9 to 12 sections. So it means in the coming 3 books have the about the 9 courses in one book, and there will tell you about the key component, the key concept of the student learning, and also the ocean literacy alignments, and this we can use for every sections. So, and then it's coming to introduce about the ocean literacies and all the concepts and every sections, and also the test and the exam for every unit, and there's inside and every unit's instructions. So this can be an instruction book, and every unit in every book will have the detail of how to use the courses. Like this one is section 1.5, and they will tell you about the studentship and what is the studentship, and you can use it. And here is the process and very detailed about how to teach it, and teach it about the content, and so teacher just can following that. And here is the copy master, and there will be alignment to the teaching lessons, the lessons. So here is everything, and teachers can copy it to give it to your students. So here is the lessons, and everyone's, and just one ship, so you just use the copy to all the students. So basically student join the class and just use the document can join the class, and teacher just following the content. And here I have some cards, and it's color boards and teaching materials. So we use the material can alignment to what the teachers want to teach, and just okay. And here is the investigate notebook. So student use the notebook, they can understand every section. So basically teacher don't need to prepare anything, they just following the content. And here is the cards, there's different cards, and teacher can use. So all the material is here, and we just following the guideline can join the class. So that is the packages. Now I just have the 6 to 8. So I hope that we can use that one to apply the NOAA system of the ocean literacy. So this is OSS projects mainly to promote the international marine education courses, and if we can use it, and everyone will be using the same curriculum, and there's in the futures, and we can do some cooperation of the evaluation of learning effect. So this is the slightly introduced about the content. So if you have any problems, then you can tell me. All right.